Today we are coming to the last part of the story, All Summer in a Day by Ray Bradbury. If you remember, the sun had come out on Venus after 7 years, and now the children had been enjoying themselves. We are starting from that point. And then, in the midst of their running, one of the girls wailed. To wail means to moan, to let out a cry of pain and fear. ভয়ে যন্ত্রণায় চিৎকার করে ওঠা. That is called wailing. Why did the girl wail? Everyone stopped. The girl standing in the open held out her hand. She extended her hand. Oh, look, look, she said, trembling. To tremble means to shake. কেঁপে ওঠা. Why does a person tremble? A person trembles when he or she is afraid. The girl was afraid. Why? The children gathered slowly to look at her open palm. This is called the palm. On her open palm there was something. The children assembled to look at it. In the center of it was a single large raindrop. This large raindrop had frightened the girl. Why? That means the rain had started. The sun had come out after 7 years, but for only 1 hour. And now it was time for the sun to set and the rains to begin. And the rains had started. The girl began to cry looking at it. Why did the girl begin to cry? Because she understood that their time of enjoyment had come to an end. Now it would again start raining for 7 years. The children glanced quickly at the sky. To glance means to look at. The children looked at the sky quickly. A few cold drops fell on their noses and their cheeks and their mouths. It had started raining. The sun faded behind a cloud of mist. Mist means fog. The sun disappeared behind a cloud of fog. That means the sun was disappearing. A cool wind blew around them. They turned and slowly walked to their underground houses. The children understood that it was about to rain. Their smiles had vanished. Vanished means disappeared. The smiles of the children had disappeared because they understood that their time of enjoyment had come to an end. Now they would no longer be able to play in the open. Now they had to go back to their underground houses. A boom of thunder startled them. Thunder. When there is friction between clouds, মেঘে মেঘে সংঘর্ষ হলে, there is a terrible sound. That is called thunder. Vajrapat. Boom means a terrible sound. The terrible sound of thunder startled them. To startle means to shock. They tumbled upon each other and ran. To tumble upon, that means to run together and almost falling upon one another. Oh, lightning struck all around them. Lightning means a flash of light, Vidyut. The sky darkened into midnight in a flash. Within a very small time period, the noon sky had become midnight. মধ্যাহ্নের আকাশ ঘন কালো অন্ধকারে ঢেকে গেছে. The children stood at the doorway to the underground houses until it was raining hard. To rain hard means terrible rain. It was raining in torrents. Then they closed the doors and heard the gigantic sound of the rain falling everywhere. Gigantic is an adjective. The noun is giant. That means very terrible. That means there was a terrible rainfall. Will it be 7 years more? Will it be 7 more years before the sun comes out again? Yes. Someone wanted to know if the sun would come out again after 7 years. And another child replied that yes, the sun would come out again after 7 years. With pale faces they looked out of the window at the world that was raining now, raining and raining steadily. And now the children with pale faces, pale, that means there was pallor on their faces, phakashe mukh. They were pale because now they understood that they would now not see the sun for 7 years. That's why their faces were pale. They looked out of the windows and looked at the raining world. It was raining in torrents. প্রবল বৃষ্টি আরম্ভ হয়েছে. This was the life of the children in Venice. So the story comes to an end. I will send you some questions and answers also later. I will also send you the word notes. Today our studies comes to an end.